The State Board of Health discussed the possible investigation during their regularly scheduled meeting earlier today. We learned from that meeting that no matter the outcome, the State Board of Health cannot give Dr. Lutz his job back. Washington Secretary of Health John Weisman expressed concern about political influence on public health officials.
I'm very concerned that the pressures that administrators, that health officers might receive from communities, from elected officials to whom they report.
The complaints are that Clark initially fired Lutz illegally without a public vote. I spoke with SRHD volunteer ethicist Maria Howard and former Spokane City Council President Ben Stuckert last week. They raised concerns about how Lutz was fired, especially highlighting possible violations of Washington state law. They told me they hope the state board will hold the local health district accountable for any violations.
So my ultimate hope is that Dr. Lutz gets his job back in full. He's led our community through a pandemic with grace.
So I hope there's some sort of change, but I hope there's also an admonishment for breaking the law.
Now, they weren't the only people who voiced concerns. One of two complaints filed by Howard was signed by 163 academics in the area. In addition to the complaints, at least 120 SRHD employees submitted a vote of no confidence against Clark, and the local health board received hundreds of emails in support of Lutz. Dr. Lutz is on the State Board of Health, but did not participate in the meeting today. Lutz's attorney submitted a letter to the State Board of Health saying SRHD terminated his employment unlawfully. SRHD spokesperson Kelly Hawkins told KREM last week that neither the district or Clark could comment on the matter at advice of their legal counsel. Whitney, Mark?